want? Huh? What do you want? I don't have food here. You really wanna come with me? I'm gonna bring you some food tomorrow, okay? Huh? This cat keep coming behind my back. I don't know what's wrong with this cat. Cat, you want me to adopt you? I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I can't have a cat. I can't have a cat in my place. I don't like. So I'm just gonna bring you some food tomorrow, alright? Is that okay? Is that a deal? What's your name, cat? Cat. Hey. Meow, meow, meow. Meow, meow, meow. Uh-oh. This cat wants me to adopt him. Uh-oh. Poor cat. But I can't touch you. I can't touch you. Yo, that's so sweet. That's so sweet. Yeah, it's so sweet, this cutty cutty. Really wants to come around me.